Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I would like to say welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I do like to include my makeup bag, which is Ipsy, and I have just recently found that I love diamond painting. So I will probably be sharing that on this channel as well as my crochet work. Well, oh, and also if you're new, I thought I'd throw this out there. I do have thumb drives of all my patterns. They are on my blog and they are on my Etsy store. So you can go check them out. I will have the links below for you guys. I have all my patterns, thumb drives, and all that good stuff. Okay, guys, this joke here I just think is hilarious because this joke is just so me. Okay, so here goes. So I wasn't sure about making toys, but then it alma grew on me. That's a good one. Okay, so let's go ahead and just dive right into what I wanted to show you guys. I did receive a gift from one of my nieces, great nieces actually. Her name is Destiny, and she sent this over to my house. And Destiny, I just want to say thank you. I really like this. Okay, here's what Destiny sent me. It is some plastic canvas. I love plastic canvas. Little ornament kits, and I just thought they were just adorable. Look at that. So thank you so much for that, Destiny. So the other thing is, if you saw my other video that I put out Tuesday where I did the review on New Craft Day, thank you so much for that New Craft Day. So I thought I'd just show that to you one more time. Here's the picture. Isn't it just beautiful? And here's my supplies. And just in case you missed that review, I have this. I'm having so much fun with this. So, I'm having so much fun with that. And let's see, what else do I have? I guess you could say this is more of a Happy Mail type video. Okay, so the next thing I have is this Maxim. This is their monthly crochet kit. I thought I would check it out. You know, I already do their quarterly Afghan kit, which you guys know I absolutely love. Well, this is to make some cuff slippers. And here is the yarn. Wouldn't it just be my favorite color? Turquoise. They sent my favorite color, turquoise. Of course, I would prefer the shoes to be turquoise. But I guess the bottom being turquoise will be okay. So I say, I don't want my bottom to be white. But I don't think it is. Now that I see it a little closer, the bottom looks like it is turquoise. But yeah, that's what they sent me. I think this was $16.99, and then you pay shipping and handling. But here's one of the yarns right here. Peruvian alpaca. Aren't they adorable? They're just adorable. And it says that this is 20% wool, 20% alpaca, 10% mohair look, 50% premium acrylic. What color do we have on here? Machine washable. The color just says 80. And I don't see anything about yardage. Well, it says 100 grams. And then here's the next one. Guys, this stuff is very, very soft. It's going to be very soft on my feet. The color on this is 150. So, for $16.99 plus the shipping and handling, I think this is a pretty good deal. I get 6 skeins of yarn. They're different than the ones that I have, and I think that'd be pretty interesting. So, yeah, just look at all that beautiful yarn. I look forward to making this kit. Okay, so let's see about the one that I am the most excited about, and that is my quarterly kit that I get from Maxim. I paid $30 plus, I think, $4.99 shipping and handling. And this is what I get every 3 months. And my goodness, I was just looking at this yarn just the other day, thinking about ordering that. And then it comes in my kit. I was squealing when I opened up the white bag. This is it, Maxim Twist and Turn Afghan. Let's take a look at the yarn. Okay, so you get 8 of these. And it says it's 290 yards, made in Turkey, a 3 light, care instructions. It says hand wash in cool water, lay flat to dry. The color is called West Winds. No, West Winds is the color on this. But isn't it just beautiful? Look at that, guys. So I'm really looking forward to that kit. Like I said, I love my Mary Maxim. I will leave their link below. It's marymaxim.com, and you can just click on their crochet kits. They have other kits as well. But like I said, the slippers, that was my first one getting that as a monthly kit. And the Afghan, I've been getting that for over a year now. And what I like about it is I feel like they send me enough yarn for my money that if I don't want to make the Afghan that's included in the kit, I can always use it for something else. Okay, guys, for all of you that like to see my Ipsy that I get once a month, well, for this month, this is the bag we got. And I just love it. Of course, I love all the bags I get. Okay, let me show you guys what's on the inside. Well, first I can show you, I guess, let me move this over. These are some of my add-ons. This is... Some of these are with reward points that you can get. About Face Light Lock Lip Gloss. Some goat milk body lotion. Let's see. Small and Mighty Sophia and Mabel Extreme Volume Mascara. And then there's two of these. Pearl Black Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner. I guess some little makeup scrubbers. And a pair of tweezers. Alright, so let's see. Like I said, those are add-ons and some are with reward points. Let's see what's in the bag that you get. Or that I got for this. Okay, so here are the 5 items that I received. This right here is Radiant Water Makeup Remover. Pretty big container here. This here says Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. That's what that is. And this right here is Brightening Eye Cream. I like that little box. And this is Skylar Vanilla Sky. It's cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized cedar. It's some perfume, a roll-on. So, pretty cool. And this is some loose setting powder. Pink lips. Okay, here's the container. Very pretty. I like that. And here's the container of the roll-on. Here's the brightening eye cream. And then here is the Saturday Skin, the Rub-A-Dub-Dub. There we are with the 5, and then all my little extras. And I will leave my referral link below if you want to click on it. And they have 3 different price ranges for this subscription box. And like I said, I use these right here as small project bags. Right here that I am wearing. This is one of mine patterns. It's made with rodeo yarn. I will leave the link below. If you're interested in making this top, you can use, any yarn that you want. I just happen to use the rodeo. It is not a top that I will wear in the middle of the summer though, because, it's not holy enough, airy enough for me because I get hot in it. But for springtime and fall and early summer, it is just fine. Okay, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Okay, it says, Your will. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Matthew 6:10. God, as the days pass and they start to blend into one another, it is so easy for me to get caught up in my schedule. As the days turn into weeks and the weeks into months, if I am not taking intentional time with you, I find my heart growing more turned towards my needs and wants. But you, O God, are bigger than my little life. Your ways are better than my most calculated plans. Lord, I don't want to live in a small life only concerned with my little area of the world. I partner with you, God, that your ways would be manifest on the earth. May your will, your intentions, your desires be filled on the earth. just like they are in heaven. May my life be one of full submission and partnership with the King of Kings, that your will would be done in my life, your kingdom come in the places I work and live. Give my eyes that see the vision of your love, changing hearts and lives all around. I yield myself to you, knowing your plans are better than my own. What a privilege. And then it says, is there room in your life for God to change your plans? This speaks to me so very much. I hope that it does you as well. Okay guys, that is all that I have for this video. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.